So here's Heather, our hygienist, teaching Gabby flossing instructions.
So Miss Gabby, what I do is I take a big piece of floss from the tip of your finger to your elbow. So it's a good long piece. You want to make sure that you wrap your floss with your two middle fingers. Get it nice and tight. I take my thumb and my pointer finger, and this is how I maneuver the floss. So have you open for me? I'll have you look at that mirror. Do you see your teeth in the mirror?
Yes.
Okay. So have you open really big. When I floss, what I do is I hug the tooth. You can kind of see in the mirror how your floss hugs the tooth like a C. And so you scrape one tooth and you go to the next tooth and you scrape the same way. So you're hugging those teeth like a C.
Okay.
When I want to get a new piece of floss, I just take my middle finger and I wrap the floss around the middle finger. So what I usually do is I try to start in the back and go from the back to the left, all the way to the right. And then, I mean, it really doesn't matter, but I just like to be consistent so that I don't forget. So if you open for me really big, take all the very, very distal, which is the back of the back tooth, and make sure you scrape nicely on that back tooth. And then I want to wrap my finger, and so I get a new piece of floss. So the idea is that you do not spread bacteria from teeth to teeth. So you get a new piece of floss, and you go to the next tooth. You make sure you don't want to just pop the floss in and out, but you actually scrape those teeth as you floss. Does that make sense?
Yes. Thank you.
Do you want to try it?
No.
No. Okay, so I'll continue on, okay?
Okay.
Have you open for me?
Well, thanks,
So nice
Miss Heather, for
Yeah.
your instruction.
Yeah. So I just make sure